Hello, good evening, dear friends, dear viewers. News already came in French speaking newspaper, Belgian newspaper, Le Soir. News is about regularization in Belgium. In this newspaper, in this article, they have written that open letter to Mrs. Wilme. Mrs. Wilme is a Belgian Prime Minister. Regularizing the stay of undocumented migrants brings only advantages. The government can regularize undocumented migrants without changing the law for reasons of public health, humanitarian basis, and economic reasons, say in an open letter to Belgian lawyers. First lawyer is Imikke van Leer, lawyer from Antwerpen, and Marie-Pierre du Bousseret, lawyer from Brussels. And this article has been written in newspaper 1st July 2020 at 9 o'clock 48 minutes in the morning. What was in the letter? The two Belgian lawyers, advocates, they stated in their letter, Dear Mrs. Wilme, dear members of the Belgian government, we are addressing you regarding the urgent issue of undocumented migrants in Belgium. Portugal has already taken the lead a few weeks ago, and a massive regularization of the stay of undocumented migrants is also planned in Italy. These two countries do that very clearly in their own interests. Portugal has understood that the COVID 19 crisis can only be overcome when all the people present in the territory are known and can be followed, and Italy is experiencing a huge shortage of seasonal agricultural workers. These two reasons are also present in Belgium. The Security Council provides for a gradual and prudent elimination of containment measures with the resurgence of the virus. The regularization of the stay of these people brings only advantages. Parallel to this situation, many sectors in Belgium are experiencing difficulties because they have production figures to follow but do not find enough workers. Agriculture, food industry, paramedical services, and airport for the transport or for delivery of goods. In its essential sectors, the increase in the number of vacant empty jobs, vacant means empty or like this, in spectacular. Some of these jobs were already on the list of trades in difficulty before the crisis. In normal times, calls are sometimes made for a new regularization campaign, as was in case in 1999. First regularization was 20 years before, and then 2009, 10 years or 11 years before, and one was also 50, about 50 years ago in 1974, for humanitarian reasons and because it is not good to let the underground economy continue. The counter argument which is then used is that of the risk of draft. People from abroad come to Belgium in the hope of obtaining a right to stay here. However, as the Belgian and even European borders are closed until further notice, such a risk has become non existent. In addition, it is not necessary to modify the law to regulate the stay of a large group of undocumented migrants. Your government can simply instruct the uh, immigration office to apply the current legislation in a flexible manner, not hard manner, in a flexible manner. In principle, when a foreigner makes a request for regularization on the basis of Art- Article 9 bis of the law on foreigners, he must first prove that he is in exceptional circumstances which make his return to the country very difficult of origin, after which the integration must be proven. What is Article 9 bis? Article 9 bis is one request to the Belgian government that please let me on the territory of Belgium on the humanitarian basis, and my country situation is not able that I can go back to my country. I cannot go back to my country because there is a risk of life, and it's not possible to go back to my homeland. This is Article 9 base. You can apply anytime, anyone, and by any one lawyer. You can take one lawyer and you can apply Article 9 base anytime. You can apply even now is better than the in the time of regularization is better. You can apply now. Okay, so how you do Article 9 bis? The procedure is you can choose one lawyer, and lawyer will take a fees. How many? It is depend on lawyer. Commune or Gemeente municipality fees, city hall fees 350. Passport, valid passport, minimum validity is 6 months or 1 year, and your ID card both will be valid and also in the original form, is not photocopy. Integration, for example, you are going to French, Dutch, German courses, and you are doing any voluntarily job in Caritas. One most important point is that if you are if you are judge if you are judge your file in French, so you will be most likely to get positive. But if you are judge, if your file is in Dutch, so it is chance that you will get negative, because the Dutch judges are too much harder. I have one sorry, please wait for me 1 minute. I have one article newspaper, I will show you. So files the cases in Dutch language. In Dutch language is more. Yes, this you can self check it. Look, asylum seekers more likely to get rejected by Flemish judges. If your judge is Flemish, you can possible get negative just for nothing. Just for nothing. Yeah, you can check it. This is newspaper. You can see everything, the time, and the asylum seekers from likely to get more likely to get rejected by Flemish judges. And this is discrimination. Francophone means French speaking judges. French judges, immigration judges, are 9 times more likely than their Flemish counterparts to recognize a request for political asylum. You see, according to new figures by an immigration appeals court. You can see, or I give you the address of this is in Brussels Times, the Brussels Times, and Wednesday 27th May 2020. If you write in internet, you can find it. So it is possible that you will get negative if you have Flemish judge, but if you have French judge, you have more chances to get positive. They are flexible and they are too much polite, and they are nice. Okay, so we go further, huh? So this was Article 9 base. You need passport, ID card, and integration papers. How much you have, you can provide it. School certificate, any diploma, and any voluntarily job if you did or if you will do in future. So for this, since no one can leave Belgium, since no one can leave Belgium territory for the moment and passenger flights are prohibited, the first condition is fulfilled. Now, because of coronavirus, the flights cannot go back, for, is not available for most of the destinations. So, almost the first condition is fulfilled. A positive decision could therefore be given to those who can then present arguments such as a long stay and a good integration in Belgium. A family with children of school age, a diploma for a job in short supply or apply, or the desire to work in one of the sectors mentioned above. What I tell you before, in any sectors, if you can work like this, or a particular vulnerability, vulnerability, and particular vulnerability is means special kind of diseases, is severe diseases. Such a measure would not only make it possible to overcome the despair of many, but would be beneficial for the public health and the economy of the country. So, dear friend, I already promise you that I will translate you in English language. But if you want in any language, not just only for one person, I can translate, because it's cost time. So please, minimum 10-15%, if they are interested, so I can, for only one person I cannot. It means that you are not interested in documents. Until my next video, and the next video I will also explain you about the Portugal, Italy, Poland, and also in Germany. I will explain you what are these country laws for the undocumented people or for asylum seekers. For student people, I have not too much experience, just simply, but for marriage or for asylum seekers, I have knowledge. If you have any question, you can write it down in comment box. So I will give you a suitable answer, if I can legal way. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye.